Hello everyone, I'm Brandon Wilson from Illinois Supply, and I today wanted to take a couple minutes to show you what our severe bleeding kits look like. Now we consider cabinets and cases, empty cabinets and cases, to be our primary business, but we do have certain situations where we are able to fill our kits for you and put supplies in when it doesn't require prescription medication. The severe bleeding kit is a good example of that, and I want to show you a few different things today. This is a CAT tourniquet. It's a tactical tourniquet, and it's one of the top recommended by the Department of Defense. We tend to use sterile gauze in this pack here because we feel like it's very recognizable for a non-professional. You do want, when you have a bleeding incident in a school or a public building, you can't necessarily assume that the person who's going to be first on the scene is going to be someone with EMT or medic training. So I like the non-compressed gauze that is a little more conspicuous as to what it is. Along with the gauze, you have an adhesive wrap. We have a pair of gloves. We have a Mylar blanket, a Sharpie for writing the time that you put the tourniquet on, scissors for cutting through bandages or clothing, and a twin pack chest seal for entry and exit wounds if you have a bullet wound to the torso. So even though it's in a small container, this severe bleeding kit includes name brand items and allows you to deal with a whole number of different types of emergencies. And you know, we are very proud of our kits. We try to put together a premium product. We don't use Chinese knockoffs of the tourniquets or anything. And these are available on our website for individual sale, or 10 of these are included in our LiveSafer cabinet, which is a mass casualty cabinet for public buildings or schools. We also have the instruction sheet, I forgot to mention that, for how to use the tourniquet. And that comes with the kit as well. So if you have any questions, my name is Brandon Wilson. You can always look me up on the website and give me a call or send me an email. And we hope to be able to put together kits using our LiveSafer system that work perfectly for your facility. Thank you.